Hey guys, and welcome back to the radio controlled YouTube channel. Today we're looking at this, the Absima ADB 1.4, which is a 1/10 scale desert buggy, brushed, comes 4-wheel drive. It comes with 50 amp hobby wing brushless ESC, so brushed ESC, and the brushed version is a very similar spec, but obviously comes brushless with a 50 amp ESC and full brushless system. The big thing about this car is the detail they've gone into on the body. It looks really amazing. All the shocks, all the body details. Comes with a CR2 remote from Absima. They do their own radio gear for this. This is one of my favorites. I've been using this on my higher spec models for a while, probably 3 or 4 years. Really reliable controller. All the settings you need are standard. But yeah, decent quality to get anyone off the ground. In RC, I'd recommend anyone who's buying a kit, for example, to have a look at this remote, because it's just really good value. Really nice grippy tires, foam inserts in the tires, as you'd expect from Absima. The quality on Absima kit is really noticeably different than a lot of the other Chinese brands. Excellent packaging. Obviously the outer packaging is recyclable, is one of the things that they focus on. Comes with a small toolkit and instructions and some stickers in there as well. And I'm dropping it all over the floor. Comes with some spare turnbuckles, or they're not really turnbuckles, they're just the steering pieces. So if you break those, you've got... Let's get this thing out and take a closer look. So who would we recommend this for? We would recommend this for anyone who's a beginner looking to get into the hobby. It's definitely something that's really upgradable, especially if you buy the brushed one. A lot of people always recommend the brushless, but actually brushed is really good. It's a really great place to start, and it means that you're not going to have an overpowered buggy. I'm definitely someone who would recommend something that handles really well over something that's too fast, and this is definitely one of those. So definitely recommend it for a beginner who's looking to upgrade it at a later date. I'd also say this is definitely for someone who's looking for something that's really good looking. It is a really good looking buggy, especially with all the detail. You can see here the dudes driving have little straps on their helmets, like they've got really proper neck braces on. They've got a fire extinguisher on there. They've got all this low level of detail that's really awesome. And plus it comes with really great shocks, so you've got a really great chassis to build upon. Please do like, follow and subscribe. It really does help us keep lower prices, because it helps us drive free traffic to our website.